Hey everyone, it's Dan from Brooklyn Power Washing. I'm at a house and a client wanted me to wash their deck. But they're the problem. It's in not the best condition, so I had to let them know the condition of the deck. I'm just going to show you what the condition is. As you can see, the deck is a little green, but it's not terrible. But here's a problem. You see that? It's rotting away. And then you have other cracks of the vinyl too. A deck like this, you can't be cleaning. If you see a deck like this, in this condition, it's really not a good idea to clean it. The reason being, if you start getting water onto the wood, it'll start rotting the woods out, and the water will start getting to garages all over the place. So it's best not to clean it and let the homeowner know that you have to replace it. Well, until the next drop, see you later.